Hello, welcome back to my channel. This week's video is a what's for dinner video. I put out a what's for dinner video every Sunday. This week's video is going to be a little bit different. We had to travel this weekend to Maryland for a funeral, so this has a lot of takeout in it, but I did get content of each night's dinner. So on Monday, I cooked some spaghetti. I had angel hair pasta and penne pasta with garlic bread, and I just used the Prego traditional sauce and ground beef. And on Tuesday, we went to O'Charlie's. I had the soup and salad. My sister had the trio appetizer, and Christmas Eve was that night. We had our Christmas Eve tradition. We do it every year. We open 2 gifts. One is new pajamas, and the other is a new coffee mug and hot chocolate. We also watch a movie together, and I was very excited that the kids chose Grease. On Christmas Day, which was Wednesday, I wanted hamburger stew so bad. I know y'all get tired of hearing this once again. I usually cook this at least once a week. I will put a link to the recipe video in the description box below. There's a little backstory about this ground beef. I didn't have any at home, and it was Christmas Day, so of course everything in my town was closed. So I just searched for grocery stores near me, and this little Mexican store that we have close by was actually open, so I went by there just to see if they may have ground beef, and he actually ground the beef right there in front of me, and it was probably the freshest meat I have ever eaten in my life, and I definitely said that I would be going back there from now on to purchase my meat. So that's what we had for dinner for Christmas. And on Thursday, we had Mexican. I just got grilled chicken with bell peppers and onions. My son got a kid's chicken and rice with cheese dip. And then my daughter just got a side of rice with a small cheese dip. She doesn't eat meat. On Friday night, we had made it to Virginia, and we stopped for the night. I chose breakfast. We had Cracker Barrel. My daughter just got a kids' 2 vegetable plate with fried apples and French fries. My sister got a vegetable plate, and we laughed so hard at this tiny serving of mashed potatoes they gave her and that small amount of gravy, because she had asked for, actually she asked for extra gravy, and that's what she got. And on Saturday morning, this was the beautiful pink sky at sunrise in Virginia. This was a little later in the day, still in Virginia, because it took forever to get through Virginia. I never thought that any state could be as country as Alabama, but Virginia definitely is. And on Saturday night, we had Chili's. I had the chicken Alfredo pasta. My daughter got the 3 sampler appetizer, and my sister had soup. And this was on the way home. It was in Virginia, but I wanted to get that fog over those mountains because it was so thick and pretty. And on Sunday, which is today, when we finally made it home, I wanted something easy and quick, but I also wanted it to be, semi-homemade and hearty. So I just picked up this pot roast with onions, potatoes, carrots. It had celery, and it had a little season packet. And I cooked that in the Instapot. So first, I just sauteed each side of the pork roast, and then I put the seasoning pack in it with 2 packs of the dried Lipton onion soup mix. Then once I get all that in there, I just add the rest of the potatoes and vegetables to it. I also added 2 cups of water. I cooked this on manual with it sealed for, I think it was 45 minutes. It was good. It was really tender. That's going to wrap up this week's video. I am exhausted. I'm going to finish editing my video and get it uploaded so I can go to bed. I have to work in the morning. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing to become a part of our family. Thanks for watching.